Hi guys, I'm going to install this instrument cluster for the K1100. It's basically compatible for the K series, BMW K series. So K75, K100, K1100. So what it does is it has an instrument panel, all the wiring pre-built. So all the wires goes wherever it has to go. It works with the indicators, rear light, and then mostly with the tachometer, the speedometer. So this one replaces the stock one, which we have a bulky one now we see. So it's going to replace, and the way it replaces just a plug and play kind of thing. So we have the wires goes from the computer and then the instrument box to the tachometer here. So what we are going to do is we disassemble this one and then take the instrument wiring out, and then you have to do some magic there. So now this is the wiring, this is the bracket that it has. So what we are going to do, we have to divide these two things. That means we have to cut these two things out from the main plug, and then there goes one this side and the other one this side. So we have to be careful doing this thing. So we'll do it. Cut this out and then separate it out. So now we have separated these two parts. Now the red and white goes to the right side of the Tenet, and then the brown one goes to the BR, and then red one, white one goes to RBWS, brown one goes to BR. So let's connect and see. install it and then go for the other modifications.